Hello, I thought we'd use Meiliang watercolor paints today again, and I've got a medium-sized brush, and I thought we'd do an abstract watercolor and then do some doodles over the top. So I've got some cold press watercolor paper which I've taped down with some masking tape, and I'm just going to do these lovely circles, just layering circles on the page in this beautiful electric blue. Some circles will look like donuts and others will be completely filled in. So just be random with whatever you want to do. I've let that base layer dry and I'm going for this really dark Prussian blue and just layering over the top. Some are going over one part of the underneath circles, others touching others. So again, some are donuts, some are completely filled in. Decided to change direction with the colour and I'm going for this lovely bright vibrant green, layering over the top again, not worrying that base layer underneath has dried, and just going over wherever I feel, really just letting my mind wander and putting these lovely circles on top. So when the base layer has all dried, I've got a selection of lovely pens, Posca pens, gold, silver pens, and I'm starting off with a black fine liner pen, just outlining this circle here. Then adding some little squiggly lines in that negative space there, and I think that fills up really quite nice. And continuing to do the same in all the negative spaces. So I've got the white Posca pen now and I'm just having a look, seeing where those circles go over other circles, and I just want to make them look a bit more pronounced. So just outlining those with the white Posca pen here. Got a silver Uniball broad pen here. I'm doodling in some of those coloured in spaces there. Being random with my patterns, whatever pops into my mind, I'm just going to put it in the space and see how that looks. Adding some more details inside of the doodles, so doodles into doodles. Continually swapping the pens over, so going from the silver then onto the gold just adds a little bit of contrast and that little bit of interest. So you might want to put a gold base layer and then add some silver detail within that. You may want to have different doodles in each section, or you may want to have a overall look where it's uniform. It's totally up to you. Just go with what comes out of you. I think adding the detail is an enjoyable bit to this. You just get really down in there and just look at the shapes and go, oh, I think I can add a little bit more interest there, and just keep going. So as you can see, this is just so easy to do. It's kind of mindful art when you're really in that moment and you're just doodling away, letting your pen do its thing and your mind can wander across the page. So I hope you like this, and if you like this, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing. I would love to hear how you're going to get on with this. What colours are you going to use? Was there anything you struggled with? Any advice you need? Just drop me a line and I'll come straight back to you. Okay, so finished the doodles on this, and I think I've completed all the spaces there. So I've grabbed a gold felt tip pen and we're just going to edge the page just to give it a lovely border. All you need to do is gently press that felt tip pen against your masking tape. Just very gently, because you don't want it to veer off and then ruin your page. So just completing that, going over again, because I think that the felt tip hadn't quite worked. This is a pen that I use quite a lot of. So yeah, it's sort of running out of its little bit of ink, but that's okay. And then once that's completed, I've heated up the tape with a hairdryer, and then I'm just peeling away the tape. This is the satisfying bit, the bit where you get to reveal your lovely picture and see whether you like it or not. So just peeling that away, just be very careful not to tear, and you can see the details here. And I think it's turned out really well. I love the way the silver and the gold glistens in the light, and I love the doodles. Really relaxing to do. So I hope you get to try, and I hope you let me know how you get on, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.